हेलो दोस्तों, कैसे हैं आप सभी। ये वीडियो 10 जुलाई को महात्मा गांधी काशी विद्यापीठ यूनिवर्सिटी में होने वाले इंग्लिश पेपर के लिए है। बीए सेकेंड सेमेस्टर का 10 जुलाई को माइनर या मेजर एग्ज़ाम है इंग्लिश सब्जेक्ट का। आपके पेपर का नेम है इंग्लिश पोएट्री। चलिए हम लोग मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन अपने स्टार्ट करते हैं। मैंने हर क्वेश्चन के नीचे आपको हिंदी भी दी है जिससे आपको अच्छे से समझ आ जाए।
Question number 1. What is the main theme of Shakespeare sonnets? Answer. Shakespeare sonnets mainly explore the themes of love, time, beauty, and mortality. He often writes about the internal nature of true love and how poetry can immortalize beauty even as time passes. The sonnets are also deeply personal, reflecting on friendship, jealousy, the passage of time, and the fear of aging or loss. In sonnet 116, for instance, he defines true love as constant and unchanging. His sonnets blend philosophy, emotion and lyrical beauty. फ्रेंड्स, मैंने यहाँ पे आपके लिए हिंदी में भी इसको दे रखा है, तो आप समझ सकते हैं कि इसका बेसिक अर्थ क्या है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. राइट अ नोट ऑन एलेजी. An elegy is a mournful, reflective poem that expresses sorrow over the death of an individual or the loss of something valuable. It is usually serious in tone and focuses on themes like death, loss, memory, and the passage of time. Thomas Gray's elegy, written in a country churchyard, is a famous example where the poet meditates on the forgotten lives of common villagers and the inevitably of death. Elegies often move from grief to consolation. यहाँ पे भी मैंने इसका हिंदी एक्सप्लेनेशन दे रखा है, आप पढ़ लीजिएगा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. What do you understand by allegory? Answer. An allegory is a literary or poetic device in which characters, events or setting represent abstract ideas or moral qualities. It is a story with a double meaning, the surface meaning and the symbolic meaning. Allegories are often used to convey moral, religious or political message. Allegory makes abstract concept more understandable and relatable. फ्रेंड्स, इसका भी हिंदी का एक्सप्लेनेशन दे रखा है, आप पढ़ लीजिएगा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. What is heroic couplet? Answer. A heroic couplet is a pair of rhymed lines in iambic pentameter, often used in epic and narrative poetry. It was especially popular in 18th century English poetry, notably used by Alexander Pope in Essay on Man and the Rape of the Lock. Heroic couplets are balanced, formal, and often express philosophical or moral ideas in a neat and memorable way. Example: hope is spring internal in the human breast, man never is but always to be blessed. Pope. इसका भी हिंदी का एक्सप्लेनेशन दे रखा है, आप पढ़ लीजिएगा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. What is irony and its different types? Answer. Irony is a literary device where the intended meaning differs from the literal meaning. It adds depth, humor, or insight to literature. Types of irony: verbal irony, saying one thing but meaning the opposite. Example: saying great weather during a storm. 2. Situationally irony, where the outcome is opposite of what is expected. Example: a fire station burns down. 3rd. Dramatic irony, the audience knows something that the character does not commonly seen in plays. Irony is used to expose human flaws, contradictions और social criticism. उसका भी हिंदी एक्सप्लेनेशन दे रखा है, पढ़ लीजिएगा। Question number 6. What do you understand by romanticism? Answer. Romanticism was a literary and artistic movement, late 18th, early 19th century, that emphasized emotion, imagination, nature, individualism, and freedom of expression. It was a reaction against the rationalism and order of enlightenment and the mechanization of the industrial age. Romantic poets like Wordsworth, Coleridge, Sally Keats, and Byron celebrates the beauty of nature, the innocence of childhood, and the value of personal emotion and institution over logic. Romanticism often includes spiritual longings, idealism, and love for the nature world. फ्रेंड्स, मैंने इसका ये हिंदी एक्सप्लेनेशन दे दिया है, आप इसे अच्छे से पढ़ लीजिएगा तो आपको इसका जो बेसिक मीनिंग है वो भी आपको अच्छे से समझ आ जाएगा. Question number 7. What is the ballad? Answer. A ballad is a narrative poem that tells a story in a simple rhythmic style. It often deals with the themes like love or heroism and is written in quatrains with a rhyme scheme, usually A, B, C, B. Ballads often include dialogue, repetition, and strong emotion and were originally made to be sung. फ्रेंड्स, इसका भी हिंदी एक्सप्लेनेशन दे रखा है, इसे पढ़ लीजिएगा. इससे आपको जो अंडरस्टैंडिंग के साथ साथ आप इसे याद भी करेंगे उसमें भी आपको हेल्प होगी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. What are key features of a sonnet? Answer. A sonnet is a 14-line poem written in iambic pentameter. It follows a specific rhymes scheme like Shakespearean AB, AB, CD, CD, EF, EF, GG. It usually explores a single theme or idea, often involving a problem or conflict, and often concludes with a resolution or a twist in a thought. Sonnets include a volta or shift in thought. फ्रेंड्स, इसका भी हिंदी एक्सप्लेनेशन दे रखा है, आराम से पढ़ लीजिएगा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. What is irony? Answer. Irony is a figure of speech where the intended meaning is opposite the literal meaning. It is used to create humor, sarcasm, or deep reflection. For example, saying "What a pleasant day" during a storm is verbal irony. In poetry, irony highlights contradiction in human life, often exposing truth indirectly. Dramatic irony occurs when the audience knows something the character doesn't. Irony adds depth, surprise, and emotional impact to the literature and poetry. फ्रेंड्स, इसका भी हिंदी एक्सप्लेनेशन दे रखा है, पढ़ लीजिएगा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. Define stressed and unstressed syllables. Answer. In English poetry, syllables are the sound that make up words. A stressed syllabus is a pronounced louder and with more force, while an unstressed syllabus is spoken softer and quicker. These patterns create rhythm and musical quality in poetry. फ्रेंड्स, इसका भी मैंने हिंदी एक्सप्लेनेशन दे रखा है, इसे पढ़ लीजिएगा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. What is the central idea of the poem Break, Break, Break? Answer. Alfred Lord Tenny's poem Break, Break, Break expresses grief and sorrow over the death of a loved one. The poet watches waves breaking on the shore and feels deep sadness as nature continues unchanged while he mourns. He contrasts his inner pain with the joy of others, children playing and sailors working, highlighting his sense of loss and isolation. The central idea is that grief is a personal and unchanging, and even though life goes on, emotional pains remains constant. The sea becomes a symbol of internal and indifferent flow of life. फ्रेंड्स, इसका भी हिंदी का एक्सप्लेनेशन मैंने दे रखा है, आप हिंदी का एक्सप्लेनेशन ज़रूर पढ़ते रहिएगा, इससे आपको समझ आता रहेगा कि क्वेश्चन अपने एक्सप्लेन क्या करना चाह रहा है. फ्रेंड्स, अब ये लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. What is the central idea of the poem Church Going? Answer. The central idea of the Philip Larkin's poem Church Going is the decline of religious faith in modern society and the continuing symbolic importance of churches even in a secular age. Larkin visits an empty church casually and reflects on its significance. Though he is skeptical and non-religious, he is drawn to the solemnity and tradition the church represents. He wonders what will happen to church when people stop believing in religion. Yet, he concludes that churches will always hold meaning because they mark important moments in human life, birth, marriage, death, and reflect human longing for seriousness and purpose. The poem deals with themes like loss of faith, modern escapism, spiritual emptiness, need for ritual and meaning. Despite his doubts, Larkin admits that people will continue to visit church not just for religious reason but for a deeper connection to life seriousness. Thus, the central idea is that even in a secular world, churches remain important cultural and emotional symbols, places where people confront life, death, and meanings. फ्रेंड्स, मैंने इसका ये हिंदी का एक्सप्लेनेशन दे रखा है। चूँकि ये लॉन्ग क्वेश्चंस हैं तो इनको आप इनकी हिंदी ज़रूर पढ़ लीजिएगा, तो इनको आपको समझने में भी बेहतर होगा और याद करने में भी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 13, राइट अ क्रिटिकल एप्रिसिएशन ऑफ द पोएम ऑन हिज ब्लाइंडनेस। आंसर, John Milton's On His Blindness is a deeply personal and philosophical sonnet that reflect on the poet's struggle with the loss of sight and his role is serving God despite his disability. The poem is written in Petrarchan sonnet from octave and sestet with a rhyme scheme ABBA, ABBA, CDE, CDE. In the octave, Milton expressed his despair that his one talent, his poetic gift, is now lodged with me useless due to his blindness. He fears he will be judged by God for not using his abilities. In the sestet, Milton arrives at a spiritual realization. God does not require great work but patient submission. He learns that even those who stand and wait serve God. The poem's tone moves from frustration to acceptance, and its message is one of faith, humility, and devotion. The use of biblical allusion, metaphors like light denied, and the personification of patience enrich the poem. Thus, the poem is not just about physical blindness but about spiritual vision, making it one of Milton's poem profound and inspirational works.
दोस्तों, अब वो थोड़ा सा साउंड आ रहा होगा आपको, इसलिए इसका आगे का वीडियो मैं कल अपलोड कर दूंगी। आज आप इतना ही पढ़ें, ये सारा लॉन्ग आंसर। वीडियो देखने के लिए धन्यवाद।